Hey everybody, this is Tazlon for Drop Top Tees. We're going to do a quick video today. In the forums, a lot of times the subject of phone holders comes up, and I know it's a very personal taste kind of thing for people. Some people just want a cup holder. You know, everybody has different styles that they like. Some like to stick them on their vents, some use magnetic mount. I'm going to show you what we've used on all our cars, not just the 124s, and that is the iottie phone holder. This basic version you can get at stores like Walmart. I know Walmart has them for like $25. You add another $15 or $20 and they have a wireless charger on the mount as well if you like wireless charging your phone. Okay, so I'm going to take this out of the box and then I'm going to show you how it goes in and how it's adjustable and why we like it so much.
Yep.
So when you get it out of the box, you're going to have the mount and extension piece, and then the actual phone holder in a plastic piece that you have to unscrew it at the back. Take that out, and then this ball is going to go right here, but you want to put your threaded piece on the ball first with the thread pointing up. Then you put the ball in, and now you're going to tighten this. You have to make sure you get it just right so it doesn't cross thread. Okay, and then you just spin it in. Don't tighten it down more than just a little bit taut. You don't want to tighten it all the way, because once you mount this in your car, you're going to want to be able to move this around to get your phone just the angle that you want it. And here's a tip for even after you get it how you want it, tighten it, but leave it to where you can still move it a little bit, because with the sun changing position as you drive, you may get into a situation where you just want to take and move it back, you know, how you need to, to keep the sun from producing the glare. So you tighten it down, but don't tighten it so far that you can't move it. Leave it snug, but not completely cinched down. So now we're going to take and put it in the car. One thing we want to do, we've already cleaned our windshield. Clean your windshield with a normal cleaner, and then take isopropyl alcohol 70%. Wipe that down, let it air dry. It dries in just a couple minutes, and that removes the last set of contaminants from your glass. You're going to be ready to put this on. There's a little plastic thing that you just peel off, and now we're ready to go. Now before I put it in the car, and you can't, so it's going to be harder to see, right here is a tab. The tab has to be open. Stick it on the windshield, put that up. That helps kind of cement the suction in place so it's going to stay on your windshield. Because I'm probably going to do it like this. Now we have different adjustments. Here we can make it go up and down. It has, like, can you hear it? There's little teeth in there that'll engage. And then here it extends. So we're going to be able to get this positioned right where we want it. The one thing we can't do from the window, once it's mounted on the window, we can't make it go like this. It doesn't swivel this way. It swivels up and down. The end swivels. We can push it in and out. But if you mount it on your windshield in a good position, experiment. Before you take this off, hold it up to your windshield. I already know where I'm putting mine. Hold it up to the windshield, make sure the phone ends up where you want it. And once we mount it, I'll put the phone on it. I'll show you why we like this so much. I want to make sure that this tab is pulled out so we get a good seal. I'm going to put it right here. Put the tab up. And now I'm going to loosen this on the end, and you want it like right. You like it down further, don't you?
sometimes just put your phone on there so they can see it.
And once you get it positioned, remember to tighten up your little screws that I showed you now. Okay, so the way you work this, these two levers here, these two arms, you push in, put your phone on it, and that collapses it and holds it tight. Now this is why I'm saying you want to leave that ball a little bit loose, because here you can angle this just the way you want it, up, down, and you get the phone perfectly positioned. Now, I'm not blocking my vent. I'm not blocking my infotainment screen. If you have a recharger cable, if you buy the wireless version, you don't have to worry about it. But you just run the a recharging cable from a USB port up to here, and now as I'm driving, it's right here. Literally, with my hands on the steering wheel, if I wanted to, I could just reach out and touch this. Don't recommend using your phone while you're driving, but with some things like Waze, where you can report a car on the side of the road, it really doesn't distract you very much because it's right here. And like for me personally, I use Waze so much. I know Jennifer comments on this. I don't have to look at Waze. I know where my finger goes on the screen to report a car or something like that. So it's like it really doesn't distract me. Or if you're at a red light, bam, it's right there. You don't need to come down here. You don't need to go over there. It's just right to the side of your steering wheel. It doesn't block the road. It doesn't block your screen. It doesn't block your vent. To me, it's the perfect placement. So like I said, this is the iottie. You can buy it at Walmart, and I don't know where else. In Walmart, this basic version is around $24, $25. You can get a wireless charger version for about $15 or $20 more. I forgot to show you when I was outside, but also included is a dash mount plaque. You just peel the back. You clean the dash the same way. Cleaner, alcohol, let it dry, peel that off, place it. We don't use this because we've discovered with the way the grain of the dash is, these don't always work real well on a Spider. But hey, you're welcome to try it if you want to. If you don't want to put it on your windshield, you can try it this way. I haven't ever tried this one to see if it works. I've tried it with some other things, and it didn't stick real well for me. So that is an option if you want to go off this. So for Drop Top Tees, this is Tazalon. If you like the video, thumbs up. Hit subscribe down there, wherever that button is. If you get one, let me know what you think. Put it in the comments. Have a good day, y'all.